In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up brackets on Quantower. Now there's two ways. The first one is going to be to open the order entry tab, so click on this button OE up top, or if you can't see it, you can click on the Quantower logo at the very top left, and then click on OE or order entry from here. Now when you open up this window over here, you can see there's a bunch of things. You can select your symbol, your account, and then the order type and time in force as well. Then you want to select the side, either buy or sell, and then the amount of lots, of course, quantity. So I'm going to do like it is right now. And then down here, you can see there's brackets mode. So this is where you can set up your brackets. You have either simple or multi. I'm going to show you both of them. If you go to simple over here, you can enable a stop loss and a take profit by clicking the check marks next to them. And then you can either manually type it in, or you could use these arrows to go up or down. Then if you want to add a trailing stop loss, you could also activate it by clicking on this hook button over here. And when you do this, as you can see, it's going to enable a trailing stop. Now here you could also go to multi, and here you can basically set up multiple brackets. So if I click on here where it says no bracket setup, you could just enable a stop loss, and then you can go and click on this button to actually select if you want to use quantity or numeric, or you want to use percentages. So here, of course, you have two options, percentage or numeric, up to you. And then you want to click on the plus button, which is going to add a stop loss, and you can add a new one and a new one again. And as you can see here, that way you can kind of go ahead and basically create as many kind of stop losses and take profits as you want. Okay, so just click on the plus button, it's going to get created. Then you want to set your quantity, you want to set your amount of ticks, and you're good to go. Click on the save button, and you've successfully set up your brackets order on Quantower. Now don't forget to actually select a placing strategy, and then down here you can also go and click on place order, and that's really all you have to do. So that's the first way. But the second one is going to be on this trading side panel over here if you're using chart trading. So open up your chart, click here on the top right. You can of course enable the side panel, and here again you can see simple. If you click on no SL, you can enable stop loss. If you click on no TP, you can enable TP or take profit. And then you have multi as well, which basically looks the same if you open it over here, and you can of course navigate this the same way I showed you earlier inside the open entry window. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.